Hello students, good day to you all. So today we are going to discuss about medicinal solution. So what is medicinal solution? So first for that to know, speak about medicinal solution, we have to know about 50 millisievert potency. So Dr. Hahnemann in his sixth edition told about dispensing of 50 millisievert potency medicines. So he has preferred prescribing 50 millisievert potencies as liquid doses. Whereas in case of fourth edition and fifth edition, he was using more of dry doses. So first we have to know why Dr. Hahnemann is preferring liquid dilutions, liquid potencies rather than using dry doses. So let us start from the beginning. Okay, Dr. Hahnemann was such an experimental personality who will try to improvise his findings as much as possible. So that is what he has did with his editions of Organon also. So if we speak about fourth edition regarding the repetition of doses, so he mentioned about single dose wait and watch method. So why he told like that? He found that if we are repeating unnecessarily the dry doses, then unnecessary aggravations were happening. So in order to prevent this, he told like give only one single dose of the similar medicine and wait till the action of the medicine is getting over. Whereas in case of fifth edition, he improvised this formula a little more. Why? The reason is it was bringing cures, but it was taking so much of time. Also, unnecessary frequent repetitions created a lot of aggravation. To remove all of these problems, he started advising to prescribe and repeat medicines at suitable intervals. Especially, for example, he mentioned about repeating medicines, similar medicine in case of chronic disease at intervals of 10, 12, or 14 days or as required. Okay. The flexibility as such is again there. So this again he wanted to improvise. He found that there are so many issues when he was repeating medicines at suitable intervals. What were the problems? Mainly a problem of resistance. After 2 or 3 doses of the similar medicine is administered, there the vital force developed a sort of resistance and the medicine was not active. Also, sometimes what happens practically, the medicine was repeated too frequently and it again resulted in aggravations. So, in order to overcome all these problems, Hahnemann did suggest some of solutions like using intercurrent remedies or changing the medicines in between and then again repeating the same old medicine. This was mentioned fifth edition. But in his sixth edition, he had removed all of these hurdles and problems by going towards 50 millismol potency, which is far, far superior than all of these previous experiments. Okay, that is why Dr. Hahnemann tells this is the most perfected method about 50 millisievert potencies. So this is the reason why we would like to see about 50 millisievert potency dispensing. So coming back, what is medicinal solution? So medicinal solution is a solution of the medicine contained in it and it can be dispensed to the patient as required. Okay, so what is the advantage? When we are giving medicines as dry doses, the dose cannot be reduced still further. Okay, a fixed dose will be there, and it sometimes seems to be a large dose for the particular patient. So it created unnecessary aggravations. So in order to remove this problem, so he started dispensing in liquid form. So what is the advantage of prescribing in liquid form? So we can reduce the dosage still further. If at all a patient may require 10 ml, we can give 10 ml. If at all the patient requires 20 ml, we can give 20 ml. So it became even more flexible. So the flexibility is the biggest advantage in case of 50 millisievert potency and sixth edition. Okay, so dispensing happens in the form of medicinal solution. So let us see what is medicinal solution and how to prepare a medicinal solution. Now we will see the preparation of medicinal solution. So what are the things which we require for preparing a medicinal solution? First thing is the medicine which we have selected in a 50 millisievert potency. So if we look at the medicine of 50 millisievert potency, it will be like a very small globules compared to the regular pills which we use for centesimal scale of potencies. So this is number 10 sized globules which we are using for 50 millisievert potencies. It is available as such from the pharmacy. Whichever medicine we are asking in a 50 millisievert potency, it will be available as globules in 10 size. Okay, Dr. Hahnemann suggests use of one single globule of such a remedy for preparation of a medicinal solution. So next thing will be a required will be little bit of sugar of milk, then water, required amount of water, then little bit of alcohol for preventing it disintegration of the medicines, then a bottle for dispensing the medicine. Okay, So these things I have kept here just for illustrative purposes on to explain you more about how to dispense it properly. Okay, so let us see how to prepare it. So first we have to take one single globule of the selected remedy and we have to put it with a little few grains of sugar of milk. Then what we have to do, we have to mix it thoroughly and grind it with the mortar. This prepared sugar of milk with medicine, we can give it directly to the patient and ask them to mix it with water and use. But most commonly in our clinics, it is better that we mix it with this medicine with solution and then we dispense. Okay, so how to mix this? So most commonly, Dr. Hahnemann suggests that a medicinal solution can be prepared in about 500 ml of water. Even from around, he mentions in tablespoon doses, 1 tablespoon means approximately 15 ml. So he suggests we can mix this medicine in around 7 to 8 tablespoons. Even we can mix it to a solution of 30 tablespoons. So it depends on the sensitivity of the patient. So that is a different topic. We can discuss on how to decide on the sensitivity of the patient in later classes. But for now, he has given a flexibility of choosing the quantity of liquid in which we can dilute. Okay, let us consider, for example, we are trying to dispense the medicine to a very sensitive person, and so we require large quantities of water. So what happens, approximately we are taking it around in 20 to 30 tablespoons of water. It comes approximately around 500 ml of water. So if we are trying to make a medicinal solution in this much amount of water, the dispensing becomes very, very difficult. How can a patient handle this much of quantity? A patient cannot take this medicine every day in his pocket, whereas in case of centesimal potencies, the patient can just put it in a dram bottle and he can keep it in the pocket and he can use it. But here, such a large quantity is becoming a big disadvantage. So in order to avoid such a disadvantage, Dr. Hahnemann has suggested one more way through which we can affect this sort of mixing. Okay, so let us see that. So we are not dispensing in so much large quantities of water, but there is another format or way to dispense this. So what is that? So we are taking a bottle where it is about 100 ml of water is there, and then we are adding few drops of alcohol. So we are adding few drops of alcohol to prevent the medicine from getting decayed or infected. Then what we have to do, we have to add the medicine which we have added to the sugar of milk and grinded, right? So that we have to mix it, add it to this particular solution. So how much water do we take? We can take around 7 to 8 tablespoons for approximately 100 ml of water. Okay, so this is what practically we do on our clinic source. Approximately we'll take this, and what we have to do now, we have to put the medicine inside this and we have to see that we are mixing it properly, and most of the times we'll try to succus it with proper intervals. Okay, so basically we can start with 10 succussions. Okay, how do we do a succussion? We have to hold it in a proper hand. Then probably if at all there is a leather base, then it is more better, but in clinical practice we do it with our hand only. And how do we do this succussion? We have to give 10 strong strokes. Okay. So like this, we have to give 10 strong succussions. The number 10 is not actually fixed. Dr. Hahnemann suggests it has to be selected according to the sensitivity of the patient. It can start from, again, 2 succussions. It can go even to 20 succussions as per the sensitivity of the individual. So this is what is the basic solution from which we can give it to the patient. So this bottle, we will give it to the patient. And from this bottle, the patient has to take around 1 tablespoon. So for illustrative purposes, I am showing you. So we can ask the patient to take approximately around 15 ml of this solution what we have given them, and ask them to mix it in another 7 to 8 tablespoons of water. Again, approximately around 100 ml of water, we have to ask them to mix it. So they may mix it in a normal tumbler with water, and then they have to mix it thoroughly with tablespoons. So they have to mix it thoroughly with a teaspoon. This is very essential that they mix the medicinal solution properly, because if the medicinal solution is not dissolved properly, then there is a chance that they may take unequal amounts of medicine. Okay, so this mixing should be done properly. So here comes the first thing. So from this solution, a patient can take 1 or 2 tablespoons or even 2 or 3 teaspoons as per the requirement of the case. Okay, but Dr. Hahnemann did not stop with this. So basically what we have did, we have started diluting the medicines to this extent, but still there are sensitive personalities who are very very sensitive, and even this medicine can cause aggravation in them. So to avoid that, Dr. Hahnemann has suggested mixing around 15 ml from this first glass. Approximately 15 ml has to be taken from this, and then it has to be mixed with the second glass. Okay, though again we have to mix it. So mix it thoroughly, and if this is sufficient, from this glass the patient can take 2 or 3 teaspoons or even 1 or 2 tablespoons as required. So there are sensitivities of patients which can be extremely sensitive. For them we can even prepare the third glass or even the fourth glass or even the fifth glass or sixth glass, whatever. So many people have a misunderstanding that this is not going to act. How does it will act? How a medicine will act? This much of dilutions is happening. No, this acts so wonderfully. That is the truth actually, because Hahnemann always has mentioned that we have to give the most minutest dose, because the medicine, if at all if it is very similar, it will be highly susceptible, and so it will definitely act if at all we are giving the most minutest doses. If at all the dose is large, again it will be creating unnecessary aggravations. Okay, so from this we can dispense to the patient, ask the patient to take 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons or as per the requirement. Okay, and the thing is, every day the patient has to prepare this solution freshly. This bottle the patient will be having, and every day the patient has to prepare from this a new solution. All these other things has to be discarded as and when they are preparing it. Okay, so this is the, with this 1 week or 2 weeks the patient has to continue the medications as suggested. And one precaution, do not forget this, every time before the patient is starting to prepare a solution of this, they have to give 10 succussions or 8 succussions or 2 succussions or whatever, but definitely the potency has to be slightly altered. Otherwise, if at all we are giving unchanged potency, again it will result in aggravations. So with these precautions, this is how we prepare a medicinal solution. Hope the things were very clear. Thank you.